in any aspect of technology, there is hype, there is hyperbole, and then there is a reality. Whether it is the internet in the early 2000s, there'll always be one little spike, bubble, overexcitement, hubris, whatever you want to call it. I always call it the froth of the tech sector. Okay, there'll always be this froth, this little layer that gets built up, which is a combination of hype with a combination of excitement and expectation. And then there is a correction of that. That is a normal thing that I have seen multiple tech cycles in my life. And I see that happening in the AI as well. But to be very clear and to be grounded, and your audience is a tech audience and a CIO audience, let me make it very clear, a couple of things very clear. AI is the next big thing. It is something that is going to come at us, come at enterprises, come at consumers, come at governments with a speed and ferocity that is going to be extremely difficult just to manage. It will come at us. It is the coming wave, it is the second wave, whatever you want to call it. However, we must also understand what AI is. AI is not some magic. AI is not a miracle. AI is effectively, for a lot of enterprises, the ability to do more with what you have, to be smarter organization, to deliver more outcomes with the capabilities that you have, with the data sets that you have, the information that you have. If you understand that and you wrap your head around the fact that AI is effectively giving enterprises, companies, products, apps, the ability to do more with less, then you will understand how AI fits into your own corporate strategy, your own information technology strategy, your own CIO framework and architecture. If you get carried away with Chat GPT and the LLMs and Gemini versus Llama versus Chat GPT and go off into the large language models, that is a totally different ball game for which a CIO need not be too worried about building those models. For a CIO, I think today your objective is to build wrappers around these LLMs, build these applications that sit off these LLMs, and then use your own data sets, to use your own informational flow to get you better results, better outcomes for decision making, better outcomes in your own application and software stack. So it is real. It is certainly a phenomenon, but it is important to be correctly informed and very, very laser focused on how you want to use AI in your enterprise, rather than get carried away with too much of the, let us say, the hyperbole about AI and the future and general intelligence and human cognitive capabilities and so on and so forth. An enterprise doesn't require AGI. An enterprise doesn't require to build a big large language model. An enterprise requires the ability to get more efficient, to get more competitive, because its competitors are getting more competitive and more efficient. So that is the area that I would urge CIOs to focus on. How do we build AI-linked capabilities into the existing infrastructure or the software architecture that you are getting?